Hi y'all, I'm Philip Miller, and today we're going to be reviewing the DeWALT vacuum cleaner. You know, I give this thing 7 out of 10, and the reason is I wish it had a little bit more sucking power. But you know what? It's good for vacuuming between your couch cushions, your stairs, and the minivan you have parked in your garage. Here's a review, check it out. Alright, let's see what's in here. And this just slides right on out. And I think that's it. It's all kind of nice, compact. The top comes out just like this. You got your air filter. That's pretty much it. Inside, nothing too fancy. Just clamps back down. Everything seats pretty good. You got your hose here for kind of extending and sucking up stuff, I guess. That goes right there. And you got this attachment here. I guess this goes right over like that. That's kind of nice. Let's see what else they have. The on-off switch is right here. And it looks like this can come out. So you just detach it. And this is where the battery pack goes. Let me go grab one. Okay, I'm assuming this what I have for my other DeWALT power tools. Slides right on in. Let's see if it turns on. All right. Your exhaust is right here. There's also this little piece right here. It kind of fits right on in. Didn't even notice that. All right, I'm impressed so far. This is pretty neat, pretty spiffy. The weight of it seems pretty good. Cord if you want it, or go cordless. All right. That's the unboxing. Let's go see how this thing works.
Alright, so the first test here is on my stairs leading to the basement, and let me tell you, they were dirty.
Watch out.
Next test, I lifted up the cushion to my sofa and vacuumed all the crumbs that my kids left in the cracks and all over the place. And it was a little dirtier than I expected, but this thing did a pretty good job at cleaning it. Next, the minivan. Alright, here we go. Diving into the center here. And it sucked it up pretty good. And I switched heads to kind of get into the crack to see how that did. And it seemed to be doing pretty good. Next, I did the car seat, sucking out everything. And it lived up to everything I expected it to be. Alright, so I'm lifting it up just to see how much dirt this thing actually captured. Considering I did just one set of stairs, the minivan, and the cushions, and I shook the filter here, and I was quite surprised by how much dirt I captured.
Alright, I hope you liked the review of this vacuum cleaner. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything that you have about my experience with this product. Also, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up for me. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Till next time, see you later.